Where's the H go? Oh wait, this is the L. The L goes right there for ladybugs.
L is for ladybug.
Where's the W go? It goes right there.
W is for watermelon.
Wait, this goes that way. See where that goes? Think it goes in this row? Or does it go up here? Try that one.
Oh, yeah.
What's this one?
Good.
Umbrella. X for xylophone.
Turn it over. Turn it over this way. Where's it go?
Q is for
I
quail.
think it goes right here.
O is for olive.
Where's that one go? Wait, turn it over. A, B, C, D.
Good.
P is for pretzel. A is for apple.
Yeah, let's turn these
Is
over
that
here.
from Gaga?
Can you say, thank you, Gaga? Say it. Say, thank you, Gaga, for the alphabet. For ABCs.
Drake, look at Grandma. Look at Gaga.
For yawn.
Drake, say it. Look at Susu. Look at Susu.
Look and say, thank you, Gaga.
Hey, look at
Say,
Susu.
thank you,
Say,
Gaga.
thank you, Gaga. Or don't.
Oh, don't.
The present is